see, first of all, I bring all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the Speed faculties to Dr. Venkatesh for scoring a wonderful and extraordinary rank and achievement of NEET SS 2020 in the specialty of DM hepatology as a first preference of rank number 5.
Thank you very much. Yes.
So this interview is to see how you have come across from medicine, from MBBS days to DM hepatology, your specialty of your choice. So we want to know about yourself, about where you did your medicine and post-graduation, and what made you to choose a DM hepatology course.
I did my MBBS from, I'm from Tamil Nadu. I did my MBBS from Tagore Medical College, Chennai. After I was 2010 batch of MBBS. After completing my MBBS, I joined MD Medicine in All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. I completed last December. After that, I joined as senior resident in All India Institute of Medical Science. After that, I got this selected for this NEET SS. Regarding why I choose this branch, my aim is to get an MD degree from medicine degree when I was doing my MBBS. After joining AIIMS, after being working in the Department of Gastroenterology AIIMS, I thought like it's a good branch because the faculty and the way the gastroenterology department works in AIIMS is very nice. So it inspired me. With that inspiration, I thought I will join this gastroenterology department.
Okay. So it is your posting made you difference?
Yes, that was my first peripheral posting during my MD time.
So if would have been something else, would have been cardiology or neurology, would have been a first peripheral posting. Then is that influence?
I was the cardiology guy during my MBBS time. My cardiologist in my Tagore Medical College had a lot of influence on me. I thought I will join as cardiologist like him. But eventually, after joining here, the viewpoint of myself has changed. So I decided I'll do this branch alone.
Okay. So and then when you started your preparation, we want to know something about how you prepared during your course. Along with your course, you started your preparation, or after your course, what did you do? How was your journey in preparing for this exam?
Yes, I started preparing for this entrance exams during my last 6 months of my MD course. So in the last 6 to 8 months of the MD course, I started preparing. I initially targeted for AIIMS exam. The December AIIMS, I could score rank 5. I got selected for AIIMS Bhubaneswar. But I thought I will prepare again. So I couldn't perform well in the AIIMS exam, but that's not the fact. But I could able to get a good rank in NEET. Only from the last 6 to 8 months I start preparing, because we were preparing for the MD exams also. Along with that, I started to prepare for this entrance exams, specialty entrance.
What are you reading actually? So what are the books you have been using, and what were the preparatory aspects of exam? So those tools and guides, you let us know.
Yes, sir. For the preparation, always I believe that we should join some coaching center, any coaching center. What I felt, because we know what is the competition there, who is competing with you. Because we were in an institute that is a closed institute, we are not of much of interactions with the other people. NEET SS has a lot of competition all over India who are preparing for this thing. So we need to know what is our level. So for that we needed coaching center. Along with that, we need the books. For the coaching center, I joined only one coaching institute, that is Speed NEET SS program. For the books, the seniors from my institute guided me that Harrison is the basis. So on the basis of the Harrison, we have to prepare for NEET. That Selzinger book is very, very important.
So how much of time you spend for reading those books? What are the topics you read in the books? I mean, did you complete the books or only the special topics? So, and what are the videos you are watching? Did you watch all the videos? I mean, what should be the guidelines for the upcoming students to prepare this exam?
The two exams which I was preparing for different. AIIMS is different way of approaching, and the NEET is different way of approaching. For NEET, if we talk about NEET, the Harrison is the must. Each and every line of the Harrison has been asked as a question. Even this time of NEET, around 100 questions. Among the 100 questions, I would say more than 95% of the questions are from Harrison only. Each and every line, each and every word, each and every numbers are from the Harrison only. So we have to read Harrison twice, thrice. Even though Harrison's gastroenterology part is around 150 pages, that is very, very important. The hepatology part in Harrison is very nice. I will say hepatitis B and C is important. See, if you split the gastroenterology as a whole, in the exams, the hepatology part is given much of the importance. Around 40% of the questions will come from hepatology, and the hepatology part we have to be thorough. After that, we have to thorough with pancreas, gallbladder, and esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, and stomach. I will keep stomach last. After that, we have to be thorough with some general gastroenterology part. We have to be thorough. Among the general gastroenterology, I would say we should be thorough with jaundice, gastrointestinal bleeding, constipation, and diarrhea. These 4 topics are important. After that, obesity is upcoming topic, which is questions have been asked. Regarding the videos, so I joined Speed SS. Speed SS, I joined online program only. So in this online program, there is a lot of options we can watch. So the faculty in the Speed coaching center was very nice. I should thank you for bringing those faculty for in this NEET coaching program. For medicine faculty, Karthikeyan sir was very nice. Most of the question what he has said, he has mentioned have come. Like scleroderma question have come. He mentioned that the table came in that NEET SS. What are the tables he highlighted? Those tables came. I watched most of the medicine videos from Smith. Gastroenterology person, Dr. Prashant is very nice. I like to thank him. I couldn't thank him personally. I thank him in this platform. Dr. Darshan is also nice. Other faculties are also nice. So these 2 faculties are lost in the rapid revision course. They were also nice. They were teaching the Silsinger core page-to-page basis. That is also very good. So these 2 are very important. Topics wise, I said hepatology. I pointed out the topics, and this thing is important. So I like to say people who are preparing for NEET SS, they have to prepare. See, 40% is medicine, 60% is specialty questions. We know all these questions are coming from Harrison. 60% the specialty core subject, you will read Harrison thorough and thorough. Whereas the 40% marks will decide, because in this exam, if we take the first rank scorer is 347, second rank scorer is 336, whereas 5th rank scorer is 331, 6th rank scorer is 331, whereas the 50th rank is 300. So the 300 score is 80 questions. You have to be correct for 80 questions, at least to be in 50th rank. So that much competition is there. So that 50th, the 80th question will be correct, because most of them will read Harrison. The 60% won't make a difference, whereas the 40% medicine part will make a difference. So I would suggest the medicine videos from the Speed, that is important, and questions from the Speed. I would suggest NBE questions, past years NBE questions are also important. Which past year NEET PG NBE questions for medicine, that is very, very important. These questions are also being repeated in SS. So we should not neglect that.
What institute you're going to choose now? What is that in your mind? So you've been waiting for an opportunity in NEET SS, leaving an opportunity in AIIMS last time.
Yes, I'll join. I'm hoping that I will get SGPJ Lucknow.
So your first preference will be in SGPJ Lucknow?
Yes, second preference will be GB Pant. I won't be getting GB Pant because GB Pant has 3 seats. First 3 toppers will take GB Pant. So hope I will get SGPJ Lucknow. After that, I'll keep CMC Vellore as my home state.
CMC Vellore?
Yes, third choice.
Now your choice between DM hepatology and DM gastroenterology. What is the marking difference? Why are you into a super subspecialty?
So whereas hepatology, I will get the topmost institute, ILBS institute I will be getting. Whereas gastroenterology, I will getting this SGPGH. So why I chose gastroenterology more than hepatology? Because my specialty in gastroenterology, I feel I am very much into GI lumen because my professors, Dr. Vineet Ahuja and Dr. Govind Makara, whom I inspired, they were GI lumen specialists. So I want to do that. I want to do GI lumen. I want to be a specialist of GI lumen rather than be a hepatologist. So that is one point. Another point is the intervention probability in hepatology is somewhat less. Whereas in hepatology, whereas I enquire people, they say you will do able to do upper GI variceal ligation most of the time, but much of the intervention will be done by the gastroenterology people. That point we will be losing. But hepatology is an upcoming branch. I want to stay in. Another thing is hepatology is an upcoming branch. We need to have a transplant setting for being a good hepatologist. Whereas my plan is to settle in Madurai. So I think the transplant setup in Madurai will take time. So I choose gastroenterology somewhat more than hepatology. That was another perspective. Whereas I felt I want to do GI lumen gastroenterology. So that is the first point. These two are the other factors why I chose gastroenterology more than.
It's great to interact with you and great to share your experiences in preparation, the strategies behind your preparation, and we also love to have your inputs in as a resource person from your field to SPEED. So we invite you as a faculty in SPEED at this platform today on behalf of the entire SPEED management and the faculties to be a part of this academic forum and team and start teaching those students who are aspiring for DM gastro or hepatology in your field, what you have aspired for. And it will be great to have you as a faculty.
Thank you very much. I should thank SPEED because the way the videos are organized in the SPEED app, that is very nice, and the questions are also very nice, I should say, and the faculty is also very nice. Thank you. I am looking forward to take this opportunity. I'll try to do my best.
So, right now, where are you placed? You are placed in Madurai or in your?
I'm in Delhi. I'm still working as a senior resident in India.
Okay, so I wish you all the best once again, and great years ahead for you, and as in your specialty, and to get more laurels in your specialty and do wonderful things that we wanted to do in life in that specialty, and more patients are going to get benefited out of your hard work and your accomplishments. And we wish you a great success in your career, and be in touch with us, and also we will also want to share whatever the academic in later part of life that too with you and you with SPEED. Once again, thank you very much for being with us and best wishes to you.
Thank you.